Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle. For me, that is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. First time around, it will bring up this window asking you for access to record or access to like audio or some other stuff. So we're gonna select while using the app. This brings up this overlay right here with the record, sound options, and the close. Now under sound options, if you click in this like general area, it allows you to check what kind of sound will be recorded. By default, it selects system, but you can also add a microphone or just microphone and deselect the system. Now, if you're planning to record both system and mic, I do recommend using headphones for this, as it might create an unwanted echo effect. Anyway, from here, I'm just going to select the record button, and as you can see, it's now recording. You don't need to worry about this. This won't be visible on a screen recording whatsoever. And let's just open up Netflix. How great that dog shit come pre-installed on this device. Fantastic. Keep in mind I am not signed in. I do want to point that out because I am opening this up for a specific reason. Just so I can show you what might happen sometimes when you try to record your screen. Keep in mind, like I said, I'm not signed in, and whatever this bullshit right here is, I'm just gonna select reject. So neither have I agreed to the terms of service or use or anything else, nor have I given it permission right here. This application also came pre-installed with this phone. Not something that I allowed it to do. So anyway, actually just kind of flipping through this, I'm gonna scroll down because there's content visible. You can clearly see right now. Anyway, and also just as a showcase, I am gonna open up something like, I just say weather, allow, cool. And I was hoping that this would be going a little bit quicker here with the weather. Okay, there we go. And we have weather visible. Great. So once you're done recording your screen, interact with this overlay and then click on the check mark. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. Now let's find Photos, and it is in the Google folder. Just select allow, whatever, cool. Don't back it up. And in here we're gonna navigate to a library and screenshots. Now it is located in screenshots even though it's a screen recording, but you will find both of those here, meaning as well as screenshots. We can click on it and it will automatically start the playback. So in a second what you will see is a straight up black screen the moment I open up Netflix. And like I said, I am not logged in and I didn't give Netflix any kind of permission, so this is just a annoying shit that companies can do apparently on our devices. And there we go, that's Netflix being opened. Without any permission, it can block the screen recorder from being able to see the screen while the application is open. Who gave it permission? It knows. But yeah, there we go. That's basically the app. And in a second, you will see me probably close it and reopen it. And again, you will start to see the home screen and then back. Application doesn't have any kind of content visible. Now, to explain this is a part of a kind of like a protection for the user of the device. So as an example, if you have your bank applications installed on your phone, as you probably do, and you open it up and you happen to have some kind of malware on your phone, then that malware would be able to see what kind of pins or passwords you use in your bank application. Obviously that's not very secure for you, and you can imagine how actually having this kind of thing be used to block the screen recorder, which also blocks any kind of other applications that can just see the screen like so, be good. But let's be just completely honest, Netflix is not one of those applications where we care about your data. There is almost nothing personal in there. You don't give a single shit about it. So this feature should be, at least in my kind of opinion, we should have an option to change this, but there is no such a thing. So once you encounter such an application that can do this exact thing, there is nothing you can do about it, like absolute nothing. So yeah, bit of a crappy thing, but I just kind of wanted to drill that if you ever encounter this, just know that there's nothing you can do. Any other application that can be recorded that doesn't use this function will obviously just be recorded normally without any kind of problem. And another thing that I do want to also point out, if you seen, there is nothing notifying me that right now my screen recorder is just recording straight up black screen. So you might be spending an hour recording an application that you didn't know that isn't actually being recorded. So just be very careful with this. Maybe if you want to record something long, do first make sure that you can actually record it. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.